What's up, family, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be diving into one of the most important yet misunderstood concepts in the cryptocurrency world, the 4-year market cycle. If you've been following Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for a while, you may have heard of this. But exactly how does it work? And why does the market seem to follow these phases? By the end of this video, you'll understand the 4 key stages of the cycle and how they impact the crypto prices. All right, let's kick things off with stage 1, accumulation. This is the phase that follows the bear market, where the prices have hit bottom and the hype around crypto has completely died down. During this time, big investors, known as whales, start accumulating coins at low prices. Retail investors are typically still scared because the market still feels dead. General sentiment is bearish and the media is ignoring crypto, but behind the scenes, the smart money is buying. Think of it as a quiet before the storm moment. This period usually lasts from 16 to 18 months. While prices may not move much, this phase set the foundation for the next big run. Now on to the exciting part, stage 2, the bull market. After accumulation, demand begins to increase, usually spurred on by big news, a halving event in Bitcoin's case, or more mainstream adoption. The Bitcoin halving plays a huge role here. It is an event that happens roughly every 4 years, where rewards for mining new blocks are cut in half. This reduction in supply, mixed with increasing demands, is the catalyst for price surges. As more people jump in, optimism returns, and we see rapid price increases, not only for Bitcoin, but the entire crypto market. Altcoins rise even more dramatically in this phase, and the media begins to cover crypto again. The FOMO, fear of missing out, kicks in, driving prices higher and higher. This can last for 12 to 18 months and end in massive euphoria, where people think the crypto market will keep going up forever. Stage 3 is where things get interesting, the distribution phase. After a massive price surge, the smart money, those early investors who accumulated in stage 1, start taking profits. This is the most deceptive part of the cycle because prices are still high and retail investors are still buying, thinking the market will continue upward. But in reality, the market is preparing for a correction. The distribution phase is short-lived compared to the bull market, typically lasting a few months. It's characterized by high volatility, and you may notice larger price swings. Whales slowly offload their positions, and when prices can't sustain themselves anymore, we enter the final stage. And here we are at stage 4, the dreaded bear market. This is when prices drop sharply and the entire crypto market experiences prolonged downturns. The bear market can last anywhere from 6 months to over a year. In this phase, pessimism rules and most of the media declares that crypto is dead, even though, as we know, it's just a part of the cycle. Retail investors often panic sell during this phase, pushing prices down even further. But for the long-term investors, this is the time to prepare for the next cycle. Historically, every bear market phase has been followed by an accumulation phase, leading us right back to stage 1. So there you have it, the 4 stages of the crypto market cycle: accumulation, bull market, distribution, and the bear market. Understanding these phases can help you make better decisions and avoid getting swept up in the hype or fear. While the timing of these cycles can vary, historically, they've played out roughly 4 years, driven mainly by the Bitcoin halving event. Keep in mind, this isn't financial advice, but knowing where you are in the cycle can help you plan your strategies better. So if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know in the comments where you think we are in the cycle currently. Are we in the bull run or are we in the distribution phase? Let me know. But until next time, I believe if you can get one foot in, you have a chance to win. Peace.